nothing. Hypo in my life, then why can't my meds come alive?
Now remember, ang difference natin, hypo and hyper, okay? Alin ang konti ang meds?
Hyper.
Alin ang mataas ang meds?
Hypo.
Okay, good. Alin ang may constipation?
Hyper.
Very good. Alin ang may diarrhea?
Hyper.
Alin ang may tachycardia?
Hyper.
Very good. Okay, so, alin ang kailangan ng warm room?
Hypo.
Very good. Okay, alin ang may heat intolerance?
Hyper.
Okay, so, I think you know already the symptoms. Okay, now, next thing we do is, are you ready to sing with me?